Introduction. Welcome to our travel adventure as we explore one of the most enigmatic destinations on the planet, North Korea. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the best places to visit in this fascinating country, showcasing its unique blend of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. From the bustling streets of Pyongyang to the serene beauty of the countryside, we'll uncover the key attractions that make North Korea a truly one-of-a-kind travel experience. We'll start our exploration in the capital city, where monumental architecture and grand monuments tell the story of a nation steeped in tradition and ideology. You'll get an insider's look at iconic sites like the Kim Il-sung Square and the impressive Arch of Triumph, which stand as testaments to the country's rich history. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also venture beyond the city limits to discover hidden gems like the picturesque Mount Kumgang and the ancient city of Kaesong, where you can immerse yourself in the local culture and traditions. Throughout this video, we aim to engage and inform you about the cultural significance of each location we visit. North Korea is often misunderstood, and we hope to shed light on its unique heritage and the warmth of its people. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or simply curious about this mysterious land, join us as we unveil the beauty and intrigue of North Korea, inviting you to see it through a different lens. Pyongyang. The capital city. Welcome to Pyongyang, the vibrant capital city of North Korea, where history and modernity intertwine in a unique tapestry of culture and architecture. As we explore this remarkable city, we'll highlight some of its most iconic landmarks, starting with the Grand Kim Il-sung Square. This expansive public space is not only a hub for national celebrations but also a symbol of the country's revolutionary spirit. Here, you can witness the impressive parades and gatherings that showcase North Korea's pride and unity. Next, we'll visit the Arch of Triumph, a stunning monument that stands taller than its counterpart in Paris. This architectural marvel commemorates the Korean resistance against Japanese colonial rule and serves as a reminder of the nation's resilience. The intricate details and grand scale of the arch reflect the unique style of North Korean architecture, characterized by bold lines and monumental designs that convey strength and ideology. As you wander through Pyongyang, it's essential to be aware of local customs and etiquette. Visitors are encouraged to show respect for the country's leaders and symbols, which are deeply ingrained in the culture. For instance, when visiting monuments, it's customary to bow slightly as a sign of respect. Additionally, photography is often restricted in certain areas, so always ask for permission before snapping a picture. By understanding and embracing these local customs, you'll not only enhance your experience but also foster a deeper connection with the rich history and culture of Pyongyang. Join us as we delve into the heart of this captivating city, where every corner tells a story waiting to be discovered. Mount Kumgang. Scenic beauty. Nestled along the eastern coast of North Korea, Mount Kumgang is a breathtaking destination renowned for its stunning landscapes and natural beauty. Often referred to as the Diamond Mountain, this majestic range boasts dramatic peaks, lush forests, and crystal-clear streams that create a picturesque backdrop for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. As we explore this enchanting area, you'll discover a variety of hiking opportunities that cater to all skill levels, from leisurely strolls to challenging treks that reward you with panoramic views of the surrounding scenery. The cultural significance of Mount Kumgang in Korean history cannot be overstated. Revered for centuries, it has been a source of inspiration for poets and artists, symbolizing the beauty of the Korean landscape. The mountain is also steeped in folklore and is considered a sacred site, making it an essential part of the Korean cultural heritage. Visitors often find themselves captivated not only by the natural beauty but also by the rich history that permeates the area. Accessing Mount Kumgang is relatively straightforward, with organized tours available from Pyongyang and other major cities. It's important to note that visitors must adhere to specific regulations and guidelines while exploring the region. Expect to encounter designated trails and areas where photography is permitted, as well as opportunities to learn about the local flora and fauna. Be prepared for varying weather conditions, and pack accordingly to ensure a comfortable hiking experience. Join us as we uncover the scenic beauty and cultural depth of Mount Kumgang, a true gem in North Korea's natural landscape. The DMZ, a historical landmark. The Demilitarized Zone, or DMZ, is one of the most significant historical landmarks in Korea, serving as a poignant reminder of the division between North and South Korea. Established in 1953 at the end of the Korean War, The DMZ stretches approximately 160 miles across the peninsula and acts as a buffer zone between the two nations. This heavily fortified area symbolizes the ongoing tensions and the complex history that has shaped the Korean peninsula, making it a site of immense historical importance. Visiting the DMZ offers a unique experience that is unlike any other. As you approach this heavily guarded region, you'll encounter a landscape that is both eerie and fascinating. The stark contrast between the lush, untouched nature of the DMZ and the military presence surrounding it creates an atmosphere that is both somber and thought-provoking. Tourists can explore key sites such as the Joint Security Area, JSA, where North and South Korean soldiers stand face to face, and the Third Infiltration Tunnel, which reveals the lengths to which both sides have gone during the conflict. While visiting the DMZ can be an eye-opening experience, it is essential to adhere to safety guidelines and regulations. Tourists are required to join guided tours, as independent exploration is not permitted. Dress codes are enforced, and visitors should remain respectful of the military personnel and the sensitive nature of the area. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a safe and respectful visit to this historical landmark, gaining insight into the complexities of Korean history and the ongoing quest for peace. Kaesong. A glimpse into history. Welcome to Kaesong, an ancient city that offers a captivating glimpse into Korea's rich history and cultural heritage. Once the capital of the Goryeo dynasty, Kaesong is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites that reflect its historical significance. One of the most notable is the Goryeo Museum, housed in a former Confucian academy. Here, you can explore artifacts that showcase the achievements of the Goryeo dynasty, including exquisite Celadon pottery and ancient manuscripts that highlight the city's scholarly past. As you stroll through Kaesong, you'll be enchanted by the traditional Korean architecture that lines its streets. The city is known for its well-preserved hanaks, or traditional Korean houses, which feature elegant wooden structures and beautiful tiled roofs. These architectural gems provide a window into the past, allowing visitors to appreciate the craftsmanship and design that have stood the test of time. Additionally, Kaesong is famous for its local crafts, including handmade Goryeo silk and traditional paper, known as hanji, which make for unique souvenirs to take home. No visit to Kaesong would be complete without indulging in its local cuisine. The city is renowned for dishes like Kaesong-style bibimbap, a colorful rice dish topped with an array of vegetables and meats, and the savory ginseng chicken soup, known as samgitang. Dining in Kaesong offers a delightful experience, as many restaurants emphasize traditional cooking methods and local ingredients. Join us as we delve into the historical and cultural treasures of Kaesong, where every corner tells a story waiting to be discovered. Nampo. Coastal charm. Welcome to Nampo, a picturesque coastal city that boasts stunning views and a vibrant seaside atmosphere. Located on the western coast of North Korea, Nampo is known for its beautiful beaches and scenic landscapes, making it a perfect getaway for those looking to relax and enjoy nature. One of the city's standout attractions is the Nampo West Sea Barrage, an impressive engineering feat that not only protects the harbor but also offers breathtaking views of the surrounding waters. Visitors can stroll along the barrage, taking in the fresh sea breeze and watching the boats navigate the harbor. Nampo is also famous for its bustling seafood markets, where you can experience the local culinary delights firsthand. Fresh catches from the sea are brought in daily, and you can sample a variety of dishes, from grilled fish to savory seafood stews. The vibrant atmosphere of the markets adds to the charm of the city, making it a must-visit for food lovers. For those seeking recreational activities, Nampo offers a range of options, including beach outings and water sports. The sandy shores are perfect for sunbathing, while adventurous visitors can try their hand at kayaking or paddleboarding. Culturally, Nampo is rich in traditions and hosts several local festivals throughout the year. These events celebrate everything from the harvest to maritime culture, providing visitors with a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the local way of life. Join us as we explore the coastal charm of Nampo, where scenic beauty and cultural experiences come together to create an unforgettable destination. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in North Korea, it's clear that this fascinating country offers a diverse array of attractions that cater to every type of traveler. From the vibrant capital city of Pyongyang, with its monumental landmarks and rich history, to the breathtaking natural beauty of Mount Kumgang and the historical significance of the DMZ, North Korea is a destination that invites exploration and discovery. We've also delved into the ancient city of Kaesong, where traditional architecture and local crafts showcase the country's cultural heritage, and the coastal charm of Nampo, known for its scenic views and delicious seafood. The key takeaway from our video is the incredible diversity of experiences that North Korea has to offer. Each location we've highlighted provides a unique glimpse into the country's rich culture and history, making it a compelling destination for those willing to venture off the beaten path. We encourage you to consider exploring North Korea for yourself, as it promises to be an eye-opening experience that challenges preconceived notions and fosters a deeper understanding of this enigmatic nation. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like the video and share it with friends and family who might be interested in discovering the hidden gems of North Korea. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope to see you in our next exploration.